implicitly inadmit ng ating Pangulo, although hindi ito sinabi ng direkta, ina-admit niya na lumalala ang sitwasyon sa ating ekonomiya. In fact, if the economy is doing well as he claims it to be, then dapat yung ayuda natin lumiliit ito. Diba? So it's possible na it's because the economy is worsening, and on top of that, ginagamit din kasi itong ayuda in aid of re-election. Sabihin niya, he's lying.
Yes.
That's the only thing that we can conclude here.
Dr. Michael Bato,
So nagsisinungaling siya dito.
all the surveys, and including your comparative analysis of the figures of economic development and growth factors, SWS, Pulse Asia, Okta Research, ay nagsasabi at ikaw rin ay nagpapakita ng isang analytical comparison sa mga datos ng pag-unlad ng ekonomiya, lumalim at lumawak ang kahirapan. At lahat ng survey tumutugma sa iyong comparative analysis. Subalit hindi po tumutugma yung pagtingin ng Pangulo ng Bansa. Sabi niya, we are pulling out more than 1,200 families na maging maunlad ang kanilang buhay at lumiliit na ang tantos ng kahirapan at kagutuman sa ating bansa, which are all far too opposite doon sa inyong comparative analysis of periods of government administration and all other surveys na ngayon lang lumabas. Dr. Michael Bato, how do you like to address it to the people ang tamang pagtingin sa pagluba at paglalim ng kahirapan at kagutuman under the current administration na pilit niyang pinagtatakpan ng data na obviously ay manipulated ang paggamit?
Alam mo, what is alarming dito ka, Eric, is implicitly inadmit ng ating Pangulo, although hindi ito sinabi ng direkta, ina-admit niya na lumalala ang sitwasyon sa ating ekonomiya. Bakit ko ito nasabi? Kung mababasa natin sa speech na yan, marami siyang sinabi sa pag-i-expand ng pagbibigay ng ayuda. Yung ayuda na yan, it comes in many names and forms. Diba? So marami yan, no? Yung mga ayuda para sa 4Ps, yung ayuda sa mga iba pang sektor. Pero mapapansin mo that there's an expansion of the ayuda program. Although hindi yan mention, of course, by word yung ayuda, pero alam na natin na yun. The fact na nag-expand ka ng ayuda, hindi lang yung Eric, no? Sama po yung mga kadiwa ng Pangulo.
Yes.
The fact that you're expanding kadiwa ng Pangulo, you're expanding ayuda, it means that the situation is becoming worse.
Kasi
in fact, if the economy is doing well, yes, in fact, if the economy is doing well as he claims it to be, then dapat yung ayuda natin lumiliit ito. Diba? So it's possible na it's because the economy is worsening, and on top of that, ginagamit din kasi itong ayuda in aid of re-election. So clearly, makikita natin na hindi minention ng Pangulo natin ito ng diretsahan, but implicitly and impliedly, he acknowledges na lumalala ang sitwasyon sa ating ekonomiya. Ito pa ka, Eric, no?
Correct.
Ito, and I quote the President on the speech.
Sige.
We are, and I quote, we are steadily progressing to our targets in the medium term. End of quote. Pinakita ko na kaninang umaga dun sa analysis natin sa mga datos na out of 8 parameters na in-indicate sa Philippine Development Plan, 6 doon ang hindi nila na-meet yung target. 2 lang yung na-meet nila yung target, conditional pa. Doon sa 2 na-meet na target, pinagmalaki ng ating Pangulo kanina na marami daw na nalikha na trabaho. Sabi, in fact, ang qualifier pa nga niya dito is, and again, I quote, there's an increase in high-quality jobs. So, ang kanyang adjective dito is high-quality jobs. Now, the question is, okay, if the jobs created are indeed of high quality, pero how come na marami pa rin tayong kababayan, they choose to leave the country and work abroad?
That's correct. Correct.
Right? So the point, and bakit ka mag-expand ng ayuda if the jobs are being created? Not only that, ayon sa mga survey, mas lumalala ang kahirapan, lumalala ang kagutuman, and yet you are boasting that there are jobs that are being created, more jobs being created, and not only that, more high-quality jobs.
Yes. Dr. Michael Bato,
So, ibig sabihin niyan, he's lying.
Yes.
That's the only thing that we can conclude here.
Dr. Michael Bato,
So, nagsisinungaling siya dito.